Are you or a loved one considering the best way to stay comfortable and safe in your home as you age? Hi, I'm Bobby Moore, and I've been renovating homes for over 30 years. Recently, my siblings and I faced this very question with our parents, and we learned so much going through the process. Today, I'm here to share some of that knowledge with you. This video is aimed at homeowners or their families who are deciding whether to relocate or remodel their homes to age in place. Staying in your home has numerous benefits, including familiarity, emotional attachment, and potential cost savings. So let's dive into the most common remodeling projects that can help make your home safer and more accessible as you age. Demographic trends show a significant increase in the older adult population. Currently, over 18% of our population is over the age of 65, according to Pew Research, and the U.S. centenarian population is expected to quadruple over the next 30 years. As our population ages, more and more people are facing the decision of whether to stay in their homes or relocate, and many of these individuals prefer to remain in their familiar surroundings rather than move to new, unfamiliar locations. This preference brings about the need for making homes safer and more accessible. Aging in place isn't just a trend, it's a growing necessity. By focusing on key modifications, you can ensure that your home continues to be a comfortable, secure, and enjoyable environment. Today, we'll explore the most common remodeling projects that can help you achieve that goal, making your living space both more practical and safe for years to come. Let's start with what's the most common aging in place remodeling project? What do you think it is? I'm betting you probably got it right. When it comes to aging in place, bathroom modifications are by far the most common remodeling project. Bathrooms are critical areas where safety and accessibility are paramount. Slippery surfaces and confined spaces can pose significant risks, but there are effective solutions to mitigate these hazards. One of the first steps is installing grab bars near the toilet and in the shower. These provide essential support and stability. Another popular modification is replacing bathtubs with walk-in showers. This eliminates the need to step over high tub walls, reducing the risk of fall. Additionally, adding non-slip flooring can make a huge difference in preventing accidents. These changes not only enhance the safety, but also make daily routines much easier, allowing you to maintain your independence and confidence in your own home. I was doing a house for my parents a few years ago, and my mother has a health issue that we call the wobbles. Clearly, that's not the medical term, but it's a lot shorter and easier to say. It's a rare form of tremors and extremely debilitating. My mother didn't want to acknowledge the issue nor the future potential issues. So my goal when doing the primary bathroom was to make it as safe and easy to use as possible while making sure it did not look like a handicapped bathroom. We had grab bars in the shower that were soap dishes, towel racks that were grab bars, toilet paper holders that were grab bars or for support getting up from the toilet. We had higher toilets as well to make it easier to get up and onto the toilet. I used a stone tile on the shower floor that didn't slip yet was stunning. The overall look was just what she wanted, yet also supported what would be her needs moving forward. Now, in addition to bathroom modifications, there are several other important remodeling projects that can significantly improve the safety and accessibility of your home. Making your kitchen more accessible is crucial. Consider lowering some countertops to make them easier to reach. Installing pull-out shelves can help you access items without straining, and adding better lighting ensures that you can clearly see while cooking and preparing meals. A little tip we always recommend is to keep the most critical items at accessible level so that you can get to everything that you really, really need. And those items that are on occasion or rarely used, put them somewhere else where you can get some support and somebody can perhaps help you get those if and when those are ever needed. Now, stairs can be a major obstacle. Options like installing stair lifts or elevators provide safe alternatives to climbing stairs. Additionally, adding railings and better lightings can make stairways much safer. And if stair modifications are not possible, is there a room on the first level that can become the primary bedroom and bath? That is sometimes a great option to consider for homeowners. To accommodate wheelchairs and walkers, widening doorways and hallways is essential. Smooth, barrier-free transitions between rooms enhance mobility and reduce the risk of tripping. Newer homes are more accommodating to this than older homes. Next is good lighting. That's vital for visibility and safety. Adding more light fixtures and using motion sensor lighting can greatly improve your home's illumination, making it easier to navigate. Lately, incorporating smart home technology can simplify daily tasks. Voice-controlled devices and automated lighting and temperature controls add convenience and enhance safety. And with AI and everything that's going on, there's only going to be even more and more of this smart technology that's available to use and incorporate. All of these projects can make a significant difference in creating a comfortable, accessible home for you for years to come. One additional point to consider is laundry setup. Should have mentioned this earlier, but many older homes and plenty of newer homes have the laundry on the lower level. Stairs can become difficult to navigate, and even more so with baskets or armfuls of laundry. What I've done in the past is look for dead space or closets that can be converted into stackable laundry areas. Or in the kitchen or halls or pantry or other areas, is there room to change out what might be there or part of what might be there and put a side-by-side setup of washer and dryer on the main level? This enables homeowners to easily do their laundry for years to come. Remaining in your home as you age offers numerous benefits that go beyond just familiarity. The emotional attachment you have to your home with all of its memories and comforts provides a sense of stability and well-being that is hard to replicate elsewhere. Additionally, remodeling your existing home can be a cost-effective alternative to relocating. By making targeted modifications, you can create a safer and more accessible environment without the upheaval of moving. This not only saves on the emotional and financial costs associated with relocation, but also allows you to maintain independence in a place you love. Staying in your home means you can continue to be a part of your community, keeping up with social connections that are vital for emotional health. These benefits make aging in place an attractive option for many homeowners. If you're considering remodeling your home to age in place or to help a family member, why not take control of the process and save money in the meantime? By becoming your own general contractor, you can save 20 to 30% on project costs. Check the information below to learn how we can guide you through this journey and help you make informed decisions. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave any comments or questions you might have. We're here to help you create a safe, comfortable living space as you age. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to assisting you with your remodeling projects. Remember, staying in your familiar surroundings offers emotional and financial benefits that can be hard to beat. We're excited to support you in your remodeling journey.